there was so much heat on my scalp that the egg whites, like, most of them cooked. So anybody wants some eggs, you know? Okay, I'm just kidding. Hi guys. Well, I literally just woke up, but then before I start with anything, I actually want to do a hair mask. Yeah, I actually want to do a hair mask, and then while the hair mask is in my hair, then I can do everything else, and then I can wash it off. So today I'm going to be doing an egg hair mask. Oh yes, if you're new to the channel, do the most. I mean, why not join the family? Subscribe, like, share, and comment. I mean, why not? I want to say hey to my returning subscribers. What's popping? Okay, so I don't know whether I should like do a vlog, but then I don't think so, because just because I don't think so. I think because the process of doing my hair is gonna be long, guys. If I take off how my hair looks like right now compared to the braid out, like, I've had my hair out for 2 days now, okay, and have not combed it. So guys wanna see? Okay, look guys. Today I'm gonna be doing an egg hair mask. I'm going to be doing an egg hair mask. It's been such a long time since I've done an egg hair mask. I think it's been more than 4 or 5 months, maybe even 6 months. But then usually I'm doing other hair masks, you know. So I actually like, this is 1 egg with 2 teaspoons of lemon and 1 teaspoon of coconut and onion onion oil. So it's actually a DIY. At first I did make a video on how I made the onion oil. It's still the same onion oil that I made. I do suggest you guys to make that onion oil. The hair mask is amazing, guys. Onion works when it works. You're probably there like, onion, what, doesn't your hair stink and all of that? But guys, actually, like, onion works really well on the hair. And onion really helps with strengthening your hair, regrowth, repair, and restore, and increasing circulation on your scalp and all of that. And coconut oil on the other end helps with conditioning, and many other things that I cannot think of right now. But then I'm just gonna put that into my hair right now. I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna cover it in a plastic or in the shower cap for 30 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna like wash it off my hair with shampoo. I'm gonna wash it off with shampoo, and then I'm gonna do an apple cider vinegar rinse, and then I'm gonna do an aloe vera hair conditioner. So this has been in my hair for 30 minutes. I think it was more than 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. Yo guys, like, the egg whites, look, there was so much heat on my scalp that the egg whites, like, most of them cooked. So anybody wants some eggs, you know? Okay, I'm just kidding. But literally, look, can you all see this? Okay, no, it's too bright, but let me put it here. There, see, that is literally an egg white that has cooked. Okay guys, this is my shrinkage. I am going to wash my hair right now, and I'm gonna have to wash it with a bit more shampoo, which is why I'm using this shampoo, which is from my other review. This one, this baby shampoo, I still have loads of it, so I'm going to put a lot of it on my hair because I don't want a shampoo that's going to strip my hair. And my aloe vera shampoo is somehow finished, so so I'm gonna use that on my strands, and then on my scalp I'm gonna use another shampoo. So let me go and wash this off my hair. Guys, it's been such a long time since I've seen my hair like this. Look at that. Okay. Hey guys, actually I was supposed to continue the video in the morning, but then actually I was going to school and I don't know what made me do my hair in the morning, guys. You took this today I was actually really fast because I knew behind my head that I have school, because usually sometimes I don't know, I like take my time, I detangle, I look at the strands and all of that. But then guys, look at the shrinkage, guys. At least now y'all can see that, you know, my hair is not always dangling, my hair is not always looking like it's in a twist out, you know. And actually guys, I don't know if you'll notice, but I don't have hair here. Like, look at this. Like, look here, and look at this. Guys, it's Friday and there's so much noise and the weather today was just not nice. The weather was just not nice. Yeah guys, in one of my videos I am going to one of my videos I am gonna like, what am I gonna do in one of my videos? I'm gonna show y'all, like, guys, I had no hairline over here. Like, if you didn't watch the video of the reason why I went natural, I suggest that you watch that video. You will see that, guys, I have serious heat damage, guys, and that's the reason why, one of the reasons why I went natural. I did not start my natural hair journey willingly on a happy note. No, that's not what happened. I actually had an incident. Do watch that video and find out exactly what happened. So this again tells you that anyone can grow hair, guys. My hair journey did not start easy. I had serious heat damage. There was no hair here at all, but actually now I do have hair, so I'm really happy that I have hair. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm not going to be giving advice in this video. Well, I think I did give advice about using the hair mask and all of that, yeah, but besides that advice, I think I'm done for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. This is so irritating because people are literally walking around everywhere and the house is so busy, you know, so it's really irritating and I just want to close the video. Okay, so as I was saying before, some lady passing was looking at me like I'm crazy. Hey, the lighting is